Your attention isn't broken, it's hijacked. 1,000 pings, reels, and life hacks are carving up your focus while your brain quietly starves. Want it back? Forget quitting the internet. Let's rebuild focus from the inside out. Scrolling memes feels like eating candy for dinner. Sweet for a second, empty after. That emptiness isn't weakness. It's your brain begging for a real meal. Depth, challenge, meaning. So how do you feed a starving brain? Pick one obsession, not 10 hobbies. One thing that makes your mind lean forward: painting, code, calisthenics, chess, podcasting, anything. When your brain tastes real challenge, dopamine stops spiking and starts stretching. Focus follows curiosity. Sounds dramatic? Check this. Jim Carrey lived in a van, broke and restless. But comedy hooked him. Night after night, he honed every line until Hollywood chased him. Stop obsessing over what to delete. Start obsessing over what to build.